Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you turn on double opt-in in your Flodesk sign up forms? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn on double opt-in for your lead capture forms anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to gather your customers' emails and information. And with double opt-in, it helps prevent fake emails showing up on your list. It also can help improve open rates. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn on double opt-in for one of your forms, here on the top, you're going to click on forms. Now, this is something you need to turn on for every single lead capture form. This is not something you can set up globally in your account, at least not at the time of the recording of this video. So what you're going to do is go ahead and choose the lead capture form that you want to turn on double opt-in. Once you've chosen the form, up here on the top right, you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to scroll down until you see double opt-in. So you can see this one does require double opt-in. So basically what's going to happen is once somebody submits their information into my lead capture form, they're not going to be added onto my list until they go to their inbox and click on a confirmation link. So you can see this right here, it's in black and white. If it's off, it's going to be gray and white. So make sure that it's black and white just by clicking the button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on double opt-in for your Flodesk lead capture forms, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.